Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money in Fiverr. So as you can see, we are now here on the buyer's home page, and just click on here, switch to selling on the top right hand corner, and you'll see the seller's dashboard page, and just click on your profile logo on the top right hand corner again and click on billing and payments. After that, you'll be redirected here and you'll see these 4 sections: the billing history, billing information, your available balances and payment methods. And here on the available balances, you'll see your money from canceled orders, your balance, or your credits, which you can use for purchases, things like that. And just go to payment methods and go add your payment method. Just like that, and you can go with your credit or debit cards, and also you can go with PayPal and just fill out all the options like here. And after that, you can now withdraw money in Fiverr. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.